Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. Today we have an unboxing, so without any further ado, let's jump right in. I have a package right here, so we're gonna see what's inside of here. So make sure you guys stay locked in. But right away, we're just gonna go right into the unboxing station, and I'm gonna pull out what we have inside of this package and just to show you real quick right here. So right here we do have the LG Stylo 5. Now, I know this isn't much of an upgrade from the LG Stylo 4 with the same Snapdragon 450 and 1.8 gigahertz processor, but this thing does have an extra gigabyte of RAM. It does have like a metal aluminum body, I noticed when I was in there. So we're gonna do a lot of videos about this device and compare it to some of the other devices I have from Metro. Now, as you can see, I did get this nice case as well, so we're gonna check that out too. It does have this really nice brushed look from MGM gear that I did get free of charge. So let's put that off to the side. I believe this is already cut right here. You know, they actually activate these in store now. So, you know, I'm not a Metro PCS worker or anything like that. I'm a customer. So right here you can see I do have the unit right here. It does say it's this LG Stylo 5, the 6.2 inch full HD full vision 18:9 IPS in-cell display with an advanced stylo UX. It does say it has 3 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of ROM. Now that's pretty much what we were going to be expecting. Nothing crazy, but I definitely wanted to get this device so I could test it against my LG Stylo 4 to let you guys know if this is going to be a smart option to choose in Metro PCS. I spoke to the rep and he said that this device was doing well as far as sales, but who knows, it could be doing really bad. Anyway, it's your boy Serrano. Let's jump into more of the device. So we're gonna go ahead and take this right off of the plastic. So I'm just gonna peel this off. I know it's not like one of the most pleasant ones where you could take it off the screen, but that's actually pretty cool. Now this is where you're getting aluminum right here. From last year, it wasn't like this color. Didn't look this solid or this thick metal, but you do get that all around the device. You can see that's the power button. Turning it around, you do get the Type-C, you do get the speaker, you do get the stylus right here, which actually looks pretty cool, and it's actually on the outside, so you can actually pull that out a lot easier. Go ahead, peel this sticker off of here. We might have to skin this device like I did my 4. Alright, so that's off, and then you do get 2 other stickers. So let's see if this one comes off easy. Yep, that one came off easy. And now this one, which is gonna come off as well. So there you go. We do got a case. We're definitely gonna need this thing because I heard the back of here scratches easy. But let's go ahead and give this thing some juice real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and power that on. So as you see, it does say LG Stylo 5. I think this is the first time turning this thing on. I think all he did was put the SIM in there and then turn it off. So let's see. And then we have to create the pattern. So let me just create the pattern real quick. That felt really smooth when I put the pattern in. Let me confirm it one more time. Obviously, it's gonna feel really nice out of the box. It says turn your finger right on the back of there, press, and go ahead and start pushing. So 1, 2, let me see, wait. Oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I wasn't putting it in different spots. There we go. So now it's recognizing. So this thing, so far it looks really nice. I just set up the fingerprint sensor. Let's go ahead and test out the fingerprint. Well, that's nice. It takes a minute. Let's see, try that one more time. That takes about like a second or so. Has some delay on it. Let's check out the interface right here. You can see it's connected to 4G. You can see the home touch button right here. Hide the home touch button, and you can swipe. You see the home touch swipe from the bottom. Boom. There's the camera right here. It has AI cam. So let me see. Turn on locations. You can see AI cam is on. So the LG Stylo 4, I don't remember having the AI cam. So this is definitely gonna have like an AI cam mode. So with that cam, you're gonna be able to take some pretty good shots and stuff like that. So I'm definitely looking forward to testing this camera out with some of my other devices and just, you know, seeing how good that thing looks. But you can see this is the camera right here. I'm in the viewfinder. See if it's matching up with my lips and how I'm speaking and everything like that. But you do get flash on and off on the front. You can rotate right here. You get a bunch of modes right here. You also do get the wide camera, which is actually one of my favorites from last year. AI camera, portrait, Q lens. Go to other settings right here. You do get gesture view, cheese shutter, flip, HDR, full vision, timer. So let's just get out of here, then go to modes, and you can see we do have auto, jump shot, and YouTube live, portrait as well. Let's get out of here and let's just go back, and you can see that if we go here and we go to right here to like home screen or something, we'll be able to add a home screen. Like right here, we can change the app drawer right here, so we can make it so we can add the app drawer right here. Boom. So now we have an app drawer, and it says just like wait a few seconds. Now this wallpaper looks really good on this device. It makes it look really sick. So when I swipe up, now I have an app drawer. This feels really clean right now. I haven't downloaded anything on it obviously, but it feels really smooth. Let's go into settings. So you can definitely add an app drawer and a whole lot more, but this is just the unboxing. Shoot, I just ripped the box. Oh well. So we got the case out. Let's put that off to the side. And nothing else is in here. Scratch resistant, slim and stylish. It says right here, high tech, product thin. So let's throw that off to the side. And this has like rubber, whereas this is like a, let me see, is this multi? Oh no, it's just a dual. It has the hard part and then it has the soft part on the inside. So that's definitely cool. And then you just pop this right in, and then you could just try the fingerprint out. So everything is really protective. You do get some lip on here, so I'm glad that they actually included that in my for my purchase. Now we're gonna take a look at the stylus when we take it out. Let's just see. I'm gonna unlock the device real quick and see how responsive that is. Oh wait, I didn't set up that side. I'm a lefty, so it's this side. So let's take out the pen feature. I'm gonna lock the screen first, and let me show you. Alright, so you get the memo when you do that. So let me just write a quick note on here. LG, and it still makes the noises like the Stylo 4, LG Stylo 5. The pen looks almost the same. I wonder if the LG Stylo 4 pen fits in the Stylo 5 socket, but we're gonna try that out later. But let's put this back in. That felt really good to write with, and it felt a little bit more solid in my hand. Check out some of the features that we're getting. So let's pull this out. And it says right here, pop memo, coloring book, draw chat, and quick memo. So let's go to draw chat, and let's just say, this is pretty cool. What's Gucci? Well, that looks dope right there. That looks sick. So let's just see what happens when you press play. That's dope. So then when you press OK, it saves it. So that just disappeared. I'm sure it's gonna be saved somewhere, like my gallery or something like that. Coloring book. Let's click this, okay. You go into the coloring book, and you can this is actually pretty sick. You'll be able to color and everything like that. Whoa, what did I just do? Yeah, this is gonna be really fun. This is a lot already pretty cool. Like, I definitely like that feature. It's not on the LG Stylo 4, but let's see. Would you cancel? Boom. So let's get out of here. We're gonna get into that in some more detail, and then let's just go to draw chat, pop memo, and quick memo. You can see right here, it's still really solid. You could just write notes on here, and you get that sound effect when you're drawing, which sounds like you're drawing on a real piece of paper. You can save that into your gallery or whatever you so desire. Let's get out of here. And then, so this thing feels really cool with the 3 gigabytes of RAM already. There's no slowdowns. It feels a little faster. Let's enter a real quick note. You can just get out of here. Put the pen tool in there. Or what's this one? Let me see. They got another tool in here. Hey, what's up? I'm drawing in cursive. What's up, my... Oh, wait. What the hell? Yo, what's up? That's kind of sick. So it makes your handwriting into like its own handwriting automatically when you draw. Let me see if it's gonna get my name right when I draw in cursive here. Yeah, it spelled it perfectly. So this is new. This is definitely new. Stylo 5. Look at that, guys. This is sick. It definitely makes your handwriting a whole lot neater if you have butt handwriting. So let me see. LG Stylo. Yeah, this is already an improvement, guys. I kind of doubted some of the features that were in here, but there's already some new features that I didn't see on some of the other reviewing channels, but I definitely think these are pretty cool, and we're gonna definitely look at this device in a whole lot more detail. But make sure you guys stay locked in right now and stay tuned, because we're gonna definitely do a whole lot more. But let me just take this out of the case real quick. It definitely fits perfectly in this case. And hold on, I'm gonna get the LG Stylo 4 real quick and just compare these two devices. Alright, so I got the LG Stylo 4 right now here, and let me just take the case off of here. You can see that's the LG Stylo 4. So let's take the LG Stylo 5 and put it in the LG Stylo 4 case and see what happens. Nah, this is too big for the LG Stylo. It fits, but let me try the power button. That actually worked. Let me try the fingerprint. That worked. Let me try the volume rockers. Up and down. It fits, but it's wider than the Stylo 4. Now let me put the LG Stylo 4 inside of the LG Stylo 5 case, and that's looser than the LG Stylo. So the Stylo 5 is definitely a little bit bigger. Let me just put it in this camera so you can see. I'm gonna put them back to back like the Drake song, and they look really good compared to each other. You can see they all got the same ports right there. When you're turning it to this side, and then let's take a look at the top. But yeah, the LG Stylo 5 is thicker and wider. Like, it's a little bit more thicker. You can't really tell by looking at it on the video, but it's a little bit bigger. But thank you guys for staying locked in with me. It's your boy Serrano. I appreciate every last one of you for watching the video. Make sure you guys stay locked in for more videos just like this. We're gonna do some more follow-ups with this phone, tips and tricks, try to figure out all the features, and you know, I'm not gonna do a review right away, obviously, because that takes about 2 to 3 weeks at least. So make sure you guys stay locked in with me. It's your boy Serrano, and have a great morning, afternoon, evening, depending where you are. Have a great night. Later, crew. Stay locked in. Peace.